Hello, if you want to learn Japanese quickly and easily without any books or classroom time, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now. Hello, I'm Kerwin.
And I'm Blaine, and we're your hosts of the Easy Go Japanese channel, where you'll learn simple and easy Japanese short words and phrases so you can start speaking right now.
In this episode, we'd like to introduce you to the word TV, along with some everyday phrases. The word for TV or television is terebi. Terebi, which is the word for TV. One of the first things you'll probably want to say is, I want to watch TV. If so, you'd say, watashi wa terebi o mitai. Watashi wa terebi o mitai, which means I want to watch TV.
Here's a way to ask your friend or friends if they want to watch TV. Terebi o mitai desu ka? Terebi o mitai desu ka? Which means, do you want to watch TV? If someone asks you if you want to watch TV, possible answers could be, Hai, watashi wa terebi o mitai. Hai, watashi wa terebi o mitai, which means, yes, I want to watch TV. Or you could say, watashi wa terebi o mimasen. Watashi wa terebi o mimasen, which means, I don't watch TV.
Here's a hypothetical situation. A friend's TV has broken, and while you're out shopping, you see one that would make a nice replacement. You ask the sales clerk, how much is that TV? You'd say, ano terebi wa ikura desu ka? Ano terebi wa ikura desu ka? Which asks the question, how much is that TV? Ikura means how much.
Alright, and here's another situation you may find yourself in. Someone comes up to you and asks, what did you do last night? You know you watch TV, so you could reply, watashi wa terebi wo mimashita. Watashi wa terebi wo mimashita, which means, I watch TV. Then they would ask, what'd you watch? To say that, you would say, anata wa nani o mimashita ka? Anata wa nani o mimashita ka? And your response would be, mochiron anime. Mochiron anime, which means anime, of course. Because that's me. I anime all the time.
Yeah, right? Me too now, so now I'm caught up in it. So, alrighty then. This is going to wrap it up for this episode on learning how to say and use the word TV or television in Japanese.
Well, what did you think of today's episode? Please let us know in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you.
If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and then the bell so that you don't miss a single episode.
And if you're a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for supporting us and this channel.
Take care, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Mata ne.
Mata ne.